Hi, I'm Molly, owner of Cody Residential, and today we're going to be building a staircase together. This is going to be a custom staircase, so for the sake of the video, I've built out the room and we're going to build stairs up to like a loft seating area. So to get started, we're going to go to the catalog and look for the wall dock cube. We're going to go ahead and drag that in place, and then you can edit to the dimensions that you need. And you can either resize here on the right in dimensions, or you can just use this tool to drag and drop where you need. Now that that's in place, we're going to go back to the catalog and look for the floor dock. And we're going to use the solid cube here. And again, just resize just like we did before. From here, we're actually just going to clone that floor dock cube and stack the steps as needed. So we'll just continue to clone these steps. As always, once you're finished, you can go in and change the texture by clicking the texture tab, and I'm going to go ahead and change it here. And then we will get ready for the render. So you'll just click Take Render, adjust your settings, and then click Take Render. And we'll wait for the finished product. Here is the final image, and it's really user-friendly, so go ahead and try out the 14-day Foyr Neo trial, and we'll see you in the next video.